Guitars, they are more than just musical instruments. They are a symbol of creativity and expression. From the gentle strum of an acoustic to the electrifying riffs of an electric, guitars have a unique way of touching our souls. They come in all shapes and sizes. Acoustics resonate with warmth, offering a rich, full-bodied sound that can fill a room. Whether it's a folk song or a classical piece, the acoustic guitar's versatility is unmatched. Classical guitars offer a delicate touch, perfect for intricate fingerpicking and soft melodies. On the other hand, electric guitars scream with power, capable of producing a wide range of sounds from smooth jazz to heavy metal. Bass guitars provide the rhythmic foundation, anchoring the music with deep, resonant tones. They are the heartbeat of any band, driving the groove and keeping everything in sync. 12 strings add a shimmering layer of sound, creating a chorus-like effect that enriches the music. Their unique sound is both captivating and enchanting, adding depth to any performance. Each type of guitar has its unique voice, contributing to the vast tapestry of music. From the soulful blues to the energetic rock, guitars are at the heart of countless genres. But the journey from wood to instrument is remarkably similar. It all starts with selecting the right piece of wood, a process that requires a keen eye and a deep understanding of the material. Let's explore the meticulous craftsmanship behind the world's best guitars. Each step in the process is a blend of art and science, requiring precision and passion. From selecting the perfect piece of wood to the final tuning, creating a guitar is an art form. Every cut, every joint and every polish is done with care and expertise. It's a dance between tradition and technology. Modern machinery aids in precision, while traditional hand tools add a personal touch, ensuring each guitar is unique. Skilled artisans pour their hearts into each step, infusing their love for music into every instrument they create. Their dedication is evident in the final product. The result, instruments that inspire musicians for generations. These guitars are not just tools, they are companions in the journey of musical expression. Get ready to dive deep into the world of guitar making. We'll take you through each stage, revealing the secrets and techniques that bring these instruments to life. We'll uncover the secrets behind these incredible instruments, celebrating the artistry and craftsmanship that make each guitar a masterpiece. The journey begins with the wood: mahogany, maple, rosewood. Each species possesses unique tonal qualities. Mahogany offers warmth and resonance, maple provides clarity and sustain. Rosewood delivers a rich, complex tone. The choice of wood dramatically impacts the guitar's sound. Wood is like a fingerprint, says master guitar builder Linda Manza. Each piece is unique, with its own story to tell. Aged wood is particularly prized. Years of drying concentrate the wood's tonal properties. This results in a richer, more resonant sound. Selecting the right wood is the crucial first step in crafting a remarkable instrument. The guitar's body is a work of art and science. It starts with carefully bending the wood into its iconic curves. Precision is key. The slightest deviation can affect the sound. Next comes gluing the pieces together. Clamps hold them tight, ensuring a solid bond. Then the body is sanded smooth. Hours are spent achieving the perfect shape and feel. Finally, layers of lacquer are applied. This protects the wood and enhances its natural beauty. The process of crafting the guitar's body is meticulous and demanding, but the results are worth it. A well-crafted body is essential for optimal resonance and projection. Section 4. Precision and pitch. The neck and fretboard. The neck and fretboard are critical components of a guitar, playing a significant role in the instrument's overall sound and playability. The neck is the guitar's backbone. It provides the necessary support and structure for the strings and the fretboard. Without a strong and stable neck, the guitar would be unplayable. It needs to be strong and stable. The neck must withstand the tension of the strings while maintaining its shape and alignment. This is why the choice of wood and the craftsmanship involved are so important. Skilled hands carve the neck from a single piece of wood. This process requires precision and expertise, as any imperfections can affect the guitar's performance. The wood is carefully selected for its strength and tonal qualities. The fretboard, often made of ebony or rosewood, is then attached. These woods are chosen for their hardness and smooth texture, which provide a comfortable playing surface and contribute to the guitar's tone. Frets, those thin metal strips, are carefully hammered in. Each fret must be placed with precision to ensure accurate pitch and intonation. The process of installing frets is meticulous and requires a steady hand. Their placement is crucial for accurate intonation. Even a slight misalignment can cause the guitar to sound out of tune. This is why luthiers take great care in measuring and placing each fret. Intricate inlays, often made of mother-of-pearl or abalone, are added. These inlays are not just decorative, they also serve as visual markers for the player, helping them navigate the fretboard. These decorative elements are more than just aesthetics. They add a personal touch to the instrument and can be customized to reflect the player's style and preferences. They serve as visual markers for the player. Every detail matters. From the choice of wood to the placement of frets and inlays, each element contributes to the guitar's overall playability and sound. The neck and fretboard must work in perfect harmony to ensure the guitar plays in tune. This delicate balance is achieved through the skill and dedication of the luthier, who brings the instrument to life with their craftsmanship. Section 5. The voice of the guitar crafting the strings. The process of crafting guitar strings is an art form in itself, requiring precision, skill, and a deep understanding of materials. The strings are the guitar's voice. They are the medium through which the instrument speaks, conveying the emotions and expressions of the player. They vibrate to create the sound we hear. Each vibration is a note, a part of a melody or a chord that resonates with the listener. Strings are made from various metals, each with its own tonal characteristics. The choice of material affects the sound, feel, and durability of the strings. Steel strings offer brightness and clarity. They are often used in electric and acoustic guitars for their sharp, clear sound. Nickel strings deliver a warmer tone. They are preferred by many players for their balanced sound and smooth feel. Nylon strings produce the mellow sound of classical and flamenco guitars. They are softer to the touch and provide a rich, warm tone. Strings are the soul of the guitar, says string maker Jim Dunlop. His dedication to crafting the perfect string is evident in every note played. They have the power to evoke emotions. The right strings can make a guitar sing, cry, or shout, depending on the player's touch. Modern strings are coated to resist corrosion. This innovation helps maintain the string's tone and playability over time. This prolongs their lifespan and helps maintain their tone. Coated strings are especially popular among players who want consistent performance. Creating high-quality strings is a science in itself. It involves meticulous testing and precise engineering to ensure each string meets the highest standards. They need to be strong, durable, and produce the desired tone. The perfect string balances these qualities, providing the player with the best possible experience. Section 6. Harmony and balance, final assembly and tuning. The final assembly is where all the pieces come together. The neck is carefully attached to the body, strings are threaded through the bridge and wound onto the tuning pegs. Then comes the crucial step of tuning. The strings are adjusted to their proper pitch. The guitar is played and inspected for any imperfections. This meticulous process ensures each instrument meets the highest standards. The final assembly is more than just putting parts together. It's about achieving perfect harmony and balance.